Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Erica, and today we're going to be doing the Chappell Roan makeup tutorial. It's going to be the music video. If you guys don't know, it's called My Kink is Karma, and I have a picture to show you guys from Chappell Roan's Instagram. If you guys don't know who Chappell Roan is, like, I'm so sorry that you don't know, because she's my new favorite artist. She is your favorite artist's favorite artist. And I really just have been wanting to do this look for a while, and I have some other ideas too for a future Chappell Roan video, but this is the video for today. So if you want to see how to get this full look, then keep watching. I'm gonna like attempt to do like a full photo shoot kind of moment. I have a lot of things, and I'm also kind of pressed on time, so I kind of want to just get this video started. So yeah, hope you guys stick around to see how this look turns out in the end. Sorry to throw this clip in the middle here, but there was a couple things I forgot to mention, and it's a couple days later after I had filmed that video. So I wanted to show you guys some of the props I got and kind of like explain where I got them from. So the shirt that I'm wearing in this video, like the velvet red one, I thrifted. And then what else was I wearing? I also thrifted the black skirt I was wearing. And so then I used this like fur jacket. I think I just got it from like Ross or Marshalls or something, so you'll see that later. And then I also got these gloves from the Spirit store, and I would highly recommend going to the Goodwill because they have like a lot of like tights and gloves and stuff. I didn't find the gloves there, unfortunately, but I did find these tights there. So I don't know how much they were. They're probably like $3.99 or something. So I highly recommend going to the Goodwill, even though I will say it's kind of annoying how lately, like, the Goodwill is supposed to be the Goodwill, right? But they've been hella marking stuff up lately. Like, I don't know, I want to say even over the past few years they've been really marking up stuff, but honestly it's cheaper than going to the Spirit store, so I would highly recommend going to the Goodwill. And honestly, like, I wouldn't recommend going now, like whenever you see this, because I'm sure if you wait till like Halloween weekend or whatever it is, I'm sure all that stuff's gonna be gone. And another like thing that I'll give like a mini rant about is I think it's so annoying how stores are constantly like, oh, it's July, let's put out the Halloween stuff already, and then it's Halloween, it's like, let's put out the fucking Christmas stuff. That shit pisses me off. But that's just a side note, okay? Then I also use these little fake flowers that I happen to have for some other reason. I don't know, they just happen to be in my closet. I honestly have like a collection of fake flowers. Like, I used some fake flowers for my orchids video, the Caliucci's one. I used some fake flowers for my Olivia Rodrigo sour one. So it's honestly good to just have a variety of fake flowers because you never know when you're gonna need them. So I used those in the video. Then I also got this red boa from the Goodwill. Like, it was like same price as the tights, probably like $3.99 or something. So honestly, this was the move, and that might be it, honestly. So yeah, I would recommend doing that. Save yourself some coin and go there before everything gets bought up. And I almost forgot to mention, I also used this temporary hair dye from Moroccan Oil, and it was in the shade Bordeaux. I already threw it away because I already used it, and I used the travel size because I didn't want to buy a whole thing because I didn't need a whole thing, which honestly I'm really glad I did because it was only like $8 and I dyed my hair. So I'll just include a picture of it on the screen. But basically it said that it's supposedly supposed to wash out in like 3 washes of my hair, so we're gonna have to see about that. But to be honest, I wasn't really tripping about it because I got my hair done like quite a few months ago, so it's not like I was ruining my hair. And it said it's supposed to wash out, and I honestly think that if you guys are like considering like, oh, I might want to dye my hair red, or I might want to dye my hair rose gold, I know they have that color, then it's kind of a good option to like try a temporary thing before you like commit to like fully going to the hair salon and getting your hair dyed. Personally, I've never box dyed my hair, and I wouldn't even consider this box dyeing, but I think this is a good option if you don't want to commit to the salon and you just want to be able to do something easy at home. I watched a video, I can link it down below, and yeah, I can also try to link down some products down below that I got. I'm trying to think, I think I got, oh my god, I almost forgot. Sorry, I'm like all over the place today. I forgot to mention, I also got these horns on Amazon. I can link that below. That's what I was going to say. I can link some stuff below that I got on Amazon, or I can link the Moroccan oil thing down below just in case. Okay, sorry if this was an awkward little clip in the middle of the video, but let's let the video continue. And also I will quickly say, please give this video a like and subscribe if you're not already. And yeah, just liking my video will help promote it to more people and hopefully get Chappell Roan to see it. Okay, bye. Okay, to start, I just glued down my eyebrows, and now I'm gonna put powder on top because we are covering the whole face in powder, and I'm also going to be like redoing my eyebrows in a different area. Sorry, my mom is talking loud downstairs. And then after I do this, oh, maybe I should like not get anything on my fucking shirt. Oh my god, I did not think this through. Fuck. Yeah, I should definitely put on my robe because I don't want to get anything on my shirt right now. Okay, and then after this, I'm going to start going in with this Wet n Wild palette that's like activated with water, and so is this split liner. I'm going to use the white. So yeah. So I'm painting a heart on my face in white, and I'm doing white first because it'll be easier to clean up after if I do white first and red after. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So this is the final look. I still need to put on my horns and stuff before I get into my photo shoot. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a close-up of the makeup. I think the glitter turned out really good. I ended up using this glitter I got from Michael's and then a bunch of little rhinestones. I basically used up all the blues. So yeah, this is the look. Okay guys, so that concludes this video. It's been a day. I've been up really early. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys happen to recreate this look, like, okay, obviously if you recreate this look, it's going to be based off Chappell's look, but if you use this tutorial to help you do the look, definitely tag me in it or something. And just in case you see this, by the time I film this, I'm probably already likely, how many times am I going to say that? I think I'm going to do a second Chappell look because I'm obsessed with Chappell Roan lately, in case you didn't notice. But yeah, I just really love her music. Okay, if I had to give you guys like my top favorites, I feel like my favorites of hers change all the time. Obviously I love Good Luck Babe, but I also really like a couple other ones. Like, I feel like my favorite changes every week, but I really like Naked in Manhattan, and I like Red Wine Supernova. So, but you already know I like all the songs. So but yeah, it's really hard to pick. Anyways, definitely stay tuned if you want to see my next Chappell Roan makeup look. And at the end of this video, I'll also roll some footage of like the extra clips I got, because I got some extra bonus clips. But you should really check out my Instagram reel and TikTok, because I'm planning to post that. And that one hopefully turns out as good as I hoped. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I was going to put on some lip gloss. Oh my god. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't know how many times I need to say that, but definitely if you're not already, go ahead and head over to my Instagram and my TikTok, because I'm going to be posting a cute little video over there as well, basically like a compilation of this video, but a little different. And on Reels and TikTok, I can obviously use the sound, because this whole look is inspired by the My Kink is Karma music video. I can't believe I didn't say that was one of my favorite songs. That's definitely one of my favorites. Okay, bye guys. Say I'm jealous, but my kink is watching you.